The residents of Baba Pataf village in Majhara Takuli, Bairaj district, Uttar Pradesh are reportedly living in fear and distress following a series of wild animal attacks on children. A young girl was rushed to hospital on Wednesday evening after being attacked by a wild animal believed to be a wolf but was declared dead. Authorities stated that 4 such incidents have occurred in the district over the past 15 days. Bairaj district magistrate Akshay Tripati informed reporters that over 20 teams from the forest department along with 21 teams from the Panchayat and Rural Development departments are engaged in addressing the situation. He noted that this is the 3rd fatality in Baba Pataf village alone and that the villagers have been advised to keep their children in safe locations. Thermal drones and additional monitoring measures are being employed to locate the animal. Relatives of deceased girl identified as Soni described the tragic incident. Her mother Vanita said the child was in her lap when the animal dragged her away, while another relative stated that the animal grabbed the girl by her hand. Divisional Forest Officer Ram Singh Yadav noted that this is the 4th such incident in Fakarpur block and confirmed sightings and footprints of a wolf. He explains that the wolf's movement across sugarcane and paddy fields is making it difficult to capture and its unusual daytime attacks suggest a change in behavior. Trap cameras, drone surveillance and nets have been deployed and expert teams have been called for investigation and monitoring. Officials highlighted that last year over 10 children were reportedly killed in similar wolf attacks in Majhsi area Bairaj. The current situation in Fakarpur has raised serious concerns among the local residents about the safety and recurring threat posed by the wild animals.
पर हमले हो रहे हैं
जी, ये केसरगंज तहसील के अंतर्गत ये गांव आता, जिसमें इस पर्टिकुलर गांव में तीसरी फैटलिटी की घटना हुई है और जिसमें वन्य जीव के हमले के क्रम में हुआ और इस समय 20 से ऊपर टीमें वन विभाग के द्वारा थर्मल ड्रोन और अतिरिक्त ड्रोन लगा के कार्य किया जा रहा है। इस पर्टिकुलर गांव के लिए हमने राजस्व विभाग और पंचायत और ग्राम विकास विभाग से भी 21 टीमें लगा रखी है और 5 साल से समस्त छोटे बच्चे ऐसे उनका भी सर्वे करा रखा है कि उनके घर वालों से बात करके कि जब तक पकड़ने की कार्रवाई पूरी नहीं हो जाती आने वाले दिनों में, तब तक पूरे 24 घंटे बच्चों की सुरक्षा किया जाए और उनको घर के अंदर रखा जाए।
कितनी कैजुअलिटीज हो चुकी है इसमें कैसरगंज में?
कैसरगंज में ये तीसरा प्रकरण है जिसमें कैजुअलिटी हुई है।